Hello, welcome to another Research Methods for the Biosciences screencast for SPSS. This screencast covers section 10.5, one sample t-test. The one sample t-test is done when you wish to compare your sample data to a statistical population when you know just the mean of that population. For instance, the data in table 10.6 estimates from one-day food diaries the amount of the vitamin folate ingested by male students living in the Balkans. We wish to ask if the sample data is consistent with the estimated UK mean intake for folate of 150 micrograms per day. So let's do the test. As you can see, I've already entered the data from table 10.6 into SPSS, and this is how I've set my variables up. To do the test, track up to Analyze and click, down to Compare Means, and then across to One Sample T-Test from the submenu that appears, and click. We now need to tell SPSS which variable we want to test, so I'm going to select folate intake and transfer it to the test variable box using the selection arrow. We now enter our mean value in the test value box. In this case the value is 150. We now press OK. SPSS gives us two boxes, and it is the second box that we want. It tells us that our significance is 0.012. So what is the meaning of the p-value? A p-value of 1 means we can accept the null hypothesis as true, whereas a p-value of 0 means we can accept the null hypothesis as untrue. As we travel from a p-value of 1 to 0, the transition point between true and untrue is set at 0.05 in the biological sciences. The smaller the p-value below 0.05, the more confident we can be in rejecting the null hypothesis. A p-value of 0.012 is below our transition value of 0.05, suggesting the result is significant and that we can reject our null hypothesis, and that there is a difference between the daily intake of folate in male students from the Balkans whilst living at home compared to the mean intake in the UK. I hope you found this screencast helpful. For further information on how to use this test, or the theory behind it, then please consult the book. More information on how to use the program to perform the test can be found in our online web guides located in the Resource Centre. Thank you for listening.